A very good morning to all of you friends. I am Dr. Mandar Agashe, Consultant Pediatric Orthopedic Surgeon at the SRCC Children's Hospital managed by Narayana Health. Today I would like to speak to you about a topic which is extremely important to the adolescents, which is a condition which is involving the pediatric hip, which is slipped capital femoral epiphysis, or also known as SCFE. Slipped capital femoral epiphysis is one of the commonest causes of hip pain in the adolescent age group and one of the common causes of total hip replacement in early adulthood. This is the cause of a very disabling arthritis which is seen in young adults and which should be treated very early. So what exactly is this slipped capital femoral epiphysis? Slipped means it has slipped. Capital and femoral, femur is the bone of the thigh and it is in the shape of a small ball which is articulating with a socket. Now this ball has a cap just like an ice cream cone. This cap is always smooth and it is right at the center of this ball. For some reason in slipped capital femoral epiphysis, this cap of the ball starts slipping down and usually this process is very slow. It's almost like an ice cream which is falling off that cone. Now this is a slow process. The child, usually about 12 to 13 years of age, starts walking with a limp, which is initially very subtle, and that is when the parents start noticing that limp a bit. Usually the child has this mild hip and thigh pain. Typically this thigh pain is missed, people don't realize that it is because of the hip, and there have been MRIs and X-rays of the knees which have been done. Slowly the child's pain starts increasing. In the initial period, this slip is something which is known as a mild or a stable slip. As the child's symptoms go on increasing, usually the child has a small amount of fall or a trip, after which the child is unable to walk at that time. This is when the child progresses into something known as a severe and an unstable slip. An unstable slip or a SCFE is a condition in which the child is unable to walk because of the severity of the slippage. A few years back, the treatment for this SCFE used to be just a small screw. So this screw used to prevent the slippage from happening further, but was not able to relocate that slipped cone, which we have to put it back right at the center of the femoral head. Do we have a method now? Yes. Now there is a very advanced technique known as a safe surgical dislocation and a modified Dunn osteotomy, which helps in relocating this slipped cup back into the socket. This is a very complex method and this helps in relocating this even while maintaining the blood supply of that small cap which is slipped. Maintenance of the blood supply of that femoral bone is extremely important, as if the blood supply is not maintained, this leads to something which is known as avascular necrosis. That is, if the blood supply is completely lost, and that leads to very rough cap of the bone, which leads to early arthritis. With the help of this modified Dunn osteotomy through a safe surgical dislocation approach, we are able to relocate it completely and the child has an almost normal gait after the surgery. We at the SRCC Children's Hospital managed by the Narayana Health have a specialized hip preservation clinic where we are able to do such complex hip reconstructive surgeries with ease. Thank you so much.